wanted to do a makeup starter kit, but I really wanted to show you guys really good affordable products you can use. For instance, like if you're just starting off in makeup, and you know, I wouldn't expect you to have like a really big collection or anything if you're new to makeup. So if you want to know a couple of products, that's all you need to get a beat face for literally under $25, then definitely keep on watching. So in this starter kit, everything I will be using, you can get it from the drugstore. So first we're gonna just prime our skin. So for skin, to prime your skin, a product that I use all the time, and you guys know how much I love my Pond's. So this is definitely a facial moisturizer that you can use to prep your skin, because honestly guys, you don't technically have to use a primer in order to prep your skin. All right, so now skin is prepped. So my eyebrows are already done. I use the e.l.f. gel eyeliner, or you can even do, if you're not into a pomade and you're more into a pencil, they do have an e.l.f. brow pencil that comes with a spoolie as well. So with the pomade, you'll need a brush and a spoolie. This is a Real Techniques brush. You can get at your local drugstore as well. And this is just a regular spoolie. So for foundation, I have a couple of options. Well, yeah, I have a couple of options, 3. These are my top 3 foundations I like. My first one, this one is an e.l.f. skin tint. This is a tinted moisturizer. So basically treat it like a moisturizer. My other 2 options, you guys know I use these all the time. One is the Maybelline Fit Me. So it's the Fit Me, and I am in the shade 335 Classic Tan. If you are just starting out and you want a nice foundation but you don't know what to pick and choose from, this is the Maybelline Fit Me, the matte and poreless. The other one is Milani. Out of the other 2 I just showed you guys, this one is my favorite. Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. So it's a 2-in-1. So it's a foundation and a concealer in one. If you're somebody who want to get into makeup but you're on a budget, you want the simple, you want to be simple. This is as simple as it gets, because it's the foundation and the concealer in one. So this is why I definitely love this one. So you guys, you can definitely get a beauty blender. I definitely recommend you guys get this one. This is the best beauty blender there. Well, I've tried so far. It's the Sonia Cashier beauty blender. You can get at your local Target for like $7 or $5 or something like that. So definitely this one. Yeah, try this one out. You guys know what I'm doing, all right? So I'm gonna just, you know. If you're gonna go in with that Milani one, remember it's a 2-in-1, so it has foundation and concealer. So you can actually stop right here and go straight to setting your face. However, I'm gonna need a little more coverage in certain areas. So I'm actually gonna go in. So I'm gonna give you 2 options. I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all, this is the bomb. It is like $2.99 at your local beauty supply. Yes. Oh, and they have tons of shade. All right, and then the next option I'm really out of, but this lets you know how good it is. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And y'all, like I literally don't have any more left, but this is the truth. Like, this is really good. Either or should definitely be in your starter kit. Go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this on top of that. That way I can get that brightness that I like, you know? This is just mainly about me showing you guys the affordable products for your makeup starter kit. All right, I don't know why I need all that. Anyway, okay, for translucent powders, Airspun translucent powder. So this one is actually the one I'm going to be using. This one is actually a really good one. The only thing is it has a bit of flashback, so be careful with the flashback. Don't go too hard on it. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about the Airspun one. It had flashback, and also maybe I just got the wrong color, but I'm not too big on this color either. The other one, of course, you guys, well, you probably don't know, but I've been using this one a lot recently in my last 2 videos. The City Color Banana Powder. So this one you can definitely get at your local beauty supply store. I'm getting a clean beauty blender. Definitely a beauty blender to set your powder is really good to go. Now I will usually move on to face powders. The L'Oreal True Match face powder. Alright, so now I will jump over into bronzing. So for bronzer, it's a brand called Physicians Formula. They have a butter bronzer. And this right here, like, this is like, everybody love this bronzer, and you can definitely get it at your local Walmart or Target. And then the good thing about, well, the bonus part about this product is that it smells just like coconut, so it smells good. Guys, this is a real Technique brush. So if you guys really want a nice, good brush set, you can definitely get a real Techniques brush from your local drugstore. All right. Then you can go in with your contour shade. So I love this palette. So this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette from medium to dark. So this palette right here, it has 3 things inside. So it has a contour shade, a scope / bronze shade, and then it have a highlight. Definitely, if I didn't, you guys can see I've used up that bronze, the sculpting shade, the bronze shade, because it's so good. So definitely, and the cool thing about this is like they have like little instructions right here too. So like they show you where the highlight go, where the sculpting go, where the contour go, and it's also like a little picture here as well that shows you too. It's all together is just like an amazing brand. They have such amazing products, but this palette is like really, if you're gonna get anything out of everything I have told you, definitely get this palette. Like for sure, this will change your life. Like, get this palette. Guys, if y'all see something in my eyelash, it's just caked up glue. Can't do nothing about it. I put a pause on skin and jump right over to the eyes. This palette right here, so this is a Morphe palette. If you guys never heard of Morphe, it is a makeup brand. I'm not saying you have to get this palette, but if you're starting out in makeup and this is your starter kit, I highly recommend a palette like this. And to tell you guys, this palette probably was like $20 maybe, so it wasn't that expensive. Do you guys see all of these shadows? I based this palette off of, like, basically if you're new to makeup, you're probably just starting out, you're trying something, so you're gonna stay probably within your comfort zone. That's what I did. I stayed with what I know, and that was like neutral color. So this palette right here, you have your browns, you have your pop of like reds and oranges, and then you also have your pinks and yellows right there. So definitely I say this is a good palette, especially if you're just starting off, because guess what, you can do so many different looks with this palette, and you have all these colors. So you definitely don't have to rummage through different palettes or anything like that. You have all these colors in this one palette. This eye look is about to be extremely simple. And I'm also going to even use my affordable brushes for you guys. So this is a Sonia Cashier brush. I hope I'm saying her name right. Sonia Cashier. Shade right here. Oh, and guys, and these shadows are pigmented as well. So these are some pigmented shadows. Now I do remind you that they this is an old palette, but they probably changed the formula. Like I got this palette like years ago, so it's probably even better now if you decide to get it, you know. I'm really like eyeing this shade, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. Too sure what's gonna happen, but okay. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Right back onto face. So for face, we can start off with blush. So for blush, Milani Luminoso. If you guys really want a nice subtle blush that goes with everything, you can blush, you can wear with any type of look, Milani Luminoso. And guys, I've been having this blush for the longest of time, so it definitely lasts some time. Now we can go to mascara. I really do like this one. It's the Big Eyes by Maybelline. It's like so old. It's double-sided. And what I really do like about this mascara as well is that they have a little wand for your lower lashes. So I don't have the box, they're just the lash, but they're Ardell Wispies. So definitely Ardell Wispies. All right guys, so we're basically really done. Last step is just highlight in our lips and we're done. Hands down, the number one best highlighter from the drugstore is the Maybelline Master Chrome. So this, I have been using this a lot lately again. Yeah. Molten Gold, like this shade, this right here is the best highlighter in drugstore. Just take this little brush right here. Alright, so I went in with my NYX lip liner in Nutmeg to line my lips. So this is what I use to line my lips. And I kind of don't know if I want to leave it. Should I leave it like this or Milani setting spray? Make it last. Alright guys, that is the finished look. Yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some valuable information, you know, and I definitely recommend all these products to try them out. If you're new to makeup and you wanna, you know, just do something simple like this, y'all, I used all drugstore products to achieve this. I will have a list of everything down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be really grateful if you guys could share with your friends and give me the thumbs up or even just comment down below, okay? So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come join this family, girl or boy. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.